For $9.99, you get 6 sponges. Hey everyone, WYGO Warrior here, aka Julie, and today I'm going to be reviewing and using for the first time some makeup sponges I bought on Amazon. These are the Beakey 6-piece makeup sponge set Blender Beauty Foundation Blender Sponge Multicolored Non-Latex Blending Sponge for Foundation Professional Beauty Makeup Set for dry and wet use. Very short name, I know. I purchased these from Amazon in December, and I can't recall what I paid, but I'm looking at the Amazon site now, and currently they sell for $9.99. This is what you get. Comes in a plastic bag, and you get 6 sponges. 2 are pink, 2 are orange, and 2 are black. The colors represent the different sizes. I will insert a picture here. Okay, so let's dig in. Oh, first of all, these are made in China, so if you have any qualms with purchases from China, just a heads up. I've never used these before, so let's dig on in. Packaging's nice, interesting, not good, not bad, just this is how it came. There's a wadded up piece of paper here. Let's see what this is. Beakey, thank you. Thank you for your order. Alright, well that's lovely from the seller or distributor. So, as I said, we get 2 black sponges. And the black sponges are kind of teardrop shaped. We get 2 pink sponges. And these are, I don't know what shape that is. Kind of Olaf snowman shape. And then my favorite shape are the orange ones, which are kind of teardrop but with a sheared off flattened side, which makes foundation, I find nice because of the flat surface. Okay, so we are going to compare these to my favorite sponge, which is a Shop Miss A sponge from AOA Studio. This costs $1.88. All of these sponges are dry, so I'm going to wet these so we can compare to see if they expand the same. Be right back. So here's what I experienced while getting the sponges wet. All 3 of the sponges, the black, the pink, and the orange, expand nicely. They almost, I'd say, double in size. So here is the Shop Miss A in pink, and the Beakey, the one in orange. They both expanded the same. So if we look at the original size, luckily we get 2, maybe not double in size, maybe 1.5 size, and it's quite squishy, and it feels to me it's a slightly more dense. This one's, yeah, this one's squishier, softer than this one. I guess I'll be able to tell on the face, but just squishing, this one's softer. So if we look at the black one before and after, and if we look at the pink ones, there's that size. What do you guys call this shape? Bell? Maybe it's a bell shape? I think it's funny saying snowman shape. So here is another observation, and I don't know what's going on. So when I dunked both the black and the pink ones into some water, I didn't run it into the sink. I have a cup of water, that I dunked them in. The water is a little cloudy for two reasons. One, this sponge wasn't fully cleaned. It had a little bit of foundation from when I used it yesterday. Here's the weird thing why I think it's mainly cloudy. When I rinsed off or dunked and squeezed out the water 3 or 4 times per sponge, the black and the pink one foamed up. And similar like when you add soap to something in a sponge, and it seemed like they had soap or something already inside them. So if you buy these, I strongly recommend that you wash them thoroughly before you use them. Let me show you firsthand what I'm talking about. Let's see if the orange sponge doesn't do it. So the water's a little cloudy. I'm gonna dunk it. Okay, there's a little foaming. Let's see if I can position my hand. I don't know if you can see that. Let me go closer. See how foamy that was? Let's do the black one. You can really see it on the black one. It's more noticeable on the black sponge. It also does it on the pink sponge. So, I don't think that has any bearing on the use of the sponge. It's just a precaution, warning, as you should do if you're going to put anything on your face that you purchase. You should always clean it. Just common sense. But I did want to point that out in case somebody went straight in, started using it. It's not to say anything's wrong or bad, but for me, I want something to be pristine and clean before I put it on my face. All right. Now that I have the sponges wet, I kind of want to clean them thoroughly with soap. They don't smell horrible, but they don't smell super clean. Definitely, I'm gonna, before I put these thoroughly with makeup on my face, I am gonna wash them with my own soap thoroughly with warm water, let them dry, rinse them the next day, and go to town. But here you go. For, what was it, $9.99, you get 6 sponges. For $9.99, you get 6 sponges. It's a pretty good deal. Just make sure you wash them first. I'm gonna go wash these myself with my own soap that I use to clean brushes and other makeup tools. For now, I'm going to end this video, and if you want to see these sponges in action applying foundation, please check out the next video I'm going to post, and you can see it in action. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you enjoyed this mini review / unveiling of a product I purchased from Amazon, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thank you and have a fantastic day.